The cryptocurrency market has always been a roller coaster. After years of steady growth, things really took off when Donald Trump won the 2024 election. Investors were optimistic. They believed Trump would usher in a new era of crypto-friendly policies. Bitcoin, the world's leading cryptocurrency, reached an all-time high of $100,000 in December 2024. The total value of the crypto market swelled to an unprecedented $3.73 trillion. It seemed like the sky was the limit. But then, cracks began to appear. The Federal Reserve announced fewer interest rate cuts than expected. This sparked fears of inflation. At the same time, concerns grew over Trump's proposed trade policies. The market wobbled, Bitcoin dipped, then recovered, but the writing was on the wall. The optimism of November 2024 had evaporated. The crypto market was in free fall. The Federal Reserve plays a crucial role in the U.S. economy. Their decisions on interest rates have a ripple effect across all markets, including crypto. When the Fed hinted at a less accommodative monetary policy, it sent shockwaves through the crypto world. Trump, who had initially boosted crypto sentiment, became a source of uncertainty. His Liberation Day tariffs, a sweeping 10% levy on imports from all countries, spooked investors. They feared a global trade war. This risk-off sentiment spread to crypto, further fueling the downturn. Trump's flirtation with meme coins like Dogecoin also raised eyebrows. His pronouncements on social media, once a market mover, now seemed erratic and unreliable. The great disruptor had become a source of disruption himself. April 7, 2025, will be remembered as a dark day in the crypto world. The market went into meltdown. Bitcoin, the bellwether of the crypto market, plunged to $74,434, a low not seen since the pre-election rally. The total market capitalization of cryptocurrencies plummeted by 10%, wiping out billions of dollars in value. Trading volumes surged as panicked investors scrambled to sell. Over $1.4 billion in crypto positions were liquidated, most of them long positions. Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency, wasn't spared. It crashed to $1,400, a 16% drop. Other major cryptocurrencies like XRP, Solana, and Binance Coin also suffered significant losses. The crypto crash of April 2025 has left investors reeling. The dream of a decentralized financial future fueled by the promise of blockchain technology seems to have hit a wall. But amidst the wreckage, there are glimmers of hope. Some analysts believe this is just a blip, a correction in a long-term bull market. They point to the resilience of Bitcoin, which has weathered storms before. They argue that the underlying technology is sound and that crypto will eventually recover. Others are more cautious. They warn that the regulatory landscape is still uncertain and that the market is vulnerable to manipulation. They urge investors to be cautious and to do their research before jumping back in. The future of crypto is uncertain, but one thing is clear: this is not the end of the road. The crypto revolution has just hit a speed bump. Only time will tell where it goes from here. The crypto crash of April 2025 has had far-reaching consequences, shaking the very foundation of the financial markets. Many investors have lost faith in the market, leading to a significant drop in trading volumes and a wave of uncertainty. However, amidst the chaos, some see this as an opportunity to buy the dip, hoping for a rebound. Institutional investors are cautiously re-entering the market, looking for bargains and potential long-term gains. The regulatory environment is also evolving, with governments around the world taking a closer look at cryptocurrencies and their impact. Some are introducing stricter regulations to protect investors, while others are embracing the technology to foster innovation. The future of crypto remains uncertain, but one thing is clear: it will continue to be a topic of intense debate and speculation. Experts are divided on whether this crash marks the end of the crypto boom or just a temporary setback in a volatile market. Despite the turmoil, the adoption of cryptocurrencies in everyday transactions continues to grow, showing resilience in the face of adversity. As the world watches closely, the evolution of cryptocurrencies will undoubtedly shape the future of finance and technology.